A, B, C are three numbers such that A is 70% of B and B is 40% of C. If sum of all the numbers is 336, then find the 15% of sum B and C. So let us first write all the three numbers A, B and C. B is 40% of C. So if C is 100, B is 40 because it is 40% of C. And A is 70% of B. So 70% of 40 is 28. If sum of all the numbers is 336, so I will just reduce this ratio. I will divide by 4. So this will be 7, this will be 10, and this will be 25. So this is the ratio. Now, what is the sum of the ratio? 42. So 42 is the sum of the ratio, and actual quantity is 336. Which means if I divide this by 6, this will be 7. If I divide by 6, so this will be 5, and divided by 6. So 5, 30, 36, 6, right? So 1 will become 8. Now I have to find sum of B and C ka 15%. So B is 10, so actually it will be 80 because 1 is 80, 1 is 8, so 10 will be 80, and A will be 56. So that sum is actually 136, and I have to find 15% of 136, that is 15 upon 100, that is 3 by 20, that is 10 by 68, that is 6.8 into 3, 4, 2, 18, 19. So 19.4 is the answer. 15% of sum of B and C is 19.4. Okay. 60% of x minus y, x and y are some two numbers, is equal to 45% of x plus y. And y is k% of x. Then 21% of k is how much? So we have been given 60% of x minus y is 45% of x plus y, right? Which means if I cancel this, it will be 4x minus y is 3x plus y. If I actually perform the cancellation, 45, 15 3s are 15 4s are. And y is k% of x. So y is k upon 100 of x, which means if I substitute, if I write this particular ratio in a manner, I will put x plus y upon x minus y. I will take x minus y on this side and I will take 3 on that side, is 4 upon 3. And I can replace y as this value. So I will replace y as that value. So x plus kx upon 100 upon x minus kx upon 100 is 4 by 3, correct? So if I take x common from numerator and denominator, this will become 1 plus k upon 100 upon 1 minus k upon 100 is 4 by 3, correct? Now I have to just simply solve this. So this will be 100 plus k upon 100 minus k is 4 upon 3. If I solve this, 300 plus 3k is 400 minus 4k. I will take k this side. So 7k is 100 and k became 100 upon 7, right? I have to find 21% of this value. So 21 upon 100 into 100 upon 7. This gets cancelled. So answer is 3, correct? You have to simply just follow the method. That's it. K is a positive number. When it is multiplied by 30% of itself, it gives a number which is 170% more than k. What is the value of k? So k is a positive number. It is multiplied by 30% of itself. 30% is 30 upon 100 of itself. It gives a number which is 170% more than k, which means it gives you number which is k plus 170 upon 100 into k. Correct? So we have to find the value of k. So isn't it simple? So this will become 3 upon 10 k square, correct? And this will become 270 k upon 100, right? So this will get cancelled here, this will get cancelled here. So k square, 3k square is 27k, k will get cut, 3 will get cut with 27, so k will be 9. So answer of k is 9. Okay, let's go ahead. So the next sum goes like the sum of two numbers is 520. If the bigger number is decreased by 4% and the smaller number is increased by 12%, then the numbers obtained are equal. The numbers are. So let me say two numbers are 100x and 100y. Sum of these two numbers is 520. Why I am taking 100? Because some percentages are given, so it will be easier for me to yeah. So I am saying I am assuming this to be a bigger number. I can assume any number as a bigger number. When it is decreased by 4%, which means this is made 96x when it is decreased by 4%, and this is increased by 12%, which means this is made as 112y. Then these two numbers become equal. Correct? So this will go by 6. So 48, 56, 86, 7y. So x upon y is 7 by 6. I want to find, now my intention is to find the numbers. So x upon y is 7 by 6 and 100x plus 100y is 520. So using these two, can I not find the number? Yes. Either I can replace x with 7 by 6y, 7 by 6y plus 100y is 520, correct? So this will become 700 plus 600, 1300y is 520 into 6. ये 0 से 0 कटेगा, ये 10 हो जाएगा, ये 4 हो जाएगा. So y is 24 upon 10. So y becomes 2.4. So the first number is 100y. So this becomes 240. And this is 520. So this number will become 280. Very simple. Okay. So dear students, please connect with me on my WhatsApp channel. If you have any doubts, I'll be happy to solve them, or keep me motivated by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.